Hi, I'm here in St. Augustine, the oldest city in the USA, and man, it is bright. So, being St. Augustine, being the oldest city in USA, let's keep it vintage and let's go load some film. Alright, the field trip just passed, so I didn't. Oh, there's some behind us. Oh, person on the bike. So, I'm going to show you guys how to load some film. So, this is my Canon Rebel G. One of my favorites, came out in the mid-90s, but let me show you how it works. First thing first, see this button? Pop it off, open, there you go. Like I said, keeping it vintage here in St. Augustine. This is my film. We're going to use some color. Yep, color film today. I prefer black and white, but this is what I have, so I'll show you. It's pretty simple. Hope you can see. Can you see? Slide this in just like that. Sometimes it gets a little snug. Let's see, here we go. Now, make sure it gets through here. Slide, slide, slide. Uh-oh. Sometimes it has some issues. See, we'll see if it's going. It's going. All right, let's go take some pictures.